Cars, trains, and ships sounded their horns across China today as part of a 3-minute moment of reflection to honor those who have died from COVID.
I am Lee. I will comment on the last news happened. In the China, the coronavirus more 80,000 caused with sign and 2,700. The coronavirus alters the world and continues to spread. The most infected countries are United States, Italy, Iran, France, and Spain. Thank you very much.
Good morning, my name is Camilo and I bring you news. How Italy becomes the focus of the epidemic in Europe. Today, Italy has the highest number of coronavirus cases in Europe. No one knows how the coronavirus appeared. On February 21, authorities reported that a 13-year-old man identified as Mattia, who lives in Codogno, Lombardia, a small town of 60,000 people 60 kilometers from Milan. Identified as the epicenter of the Italian outbreak, was infected. We can only abide by the orders given by the Italian government. Thank you. No, I pass you with my partner who is in the United States.
Overnight, the U.S. reached a grim milestone. More than 3,000 now dead because of coronavirus. President Trump now focusing on the lives that could be saved.
Good morning. I am Mr. Edgar Taylor. I am the New York. How the virus become part of the political war between the USA and China. The global health crisis caused by COVID-19 has again highlighted the tense rivalry between the two world superpowers and has definitely left behind the apparent honeymoon after their commercial approach. This time, the conflict has exploded through conspiracy theories and controversial statements. A tale of war that experts warn in is dangerous for everyone. Hashtag I stayed at home.
The handout video from Russian health authorities projects a country beating back the coronavirus at the airport and on Moscow's metro.
Putin suspends his conditional reform the coronavirus and asks the Russians to stay home. COVID-19 has forced the president of Russia, where there are already than 600 cases of coronavirus, postponing reforms that could keep him in power for many years. The infection rate in Russia has begun to rise, even according to official figures and some suspect. Russia President Vladimir Putin on Monday called on Moscow residents that they confident seriously to halt the spread of the coronavirus pandemic. The quarantine that is already being implemented beyond regions of the country. Pass you my parents was in Peru.
Vladimir. My name is Pablo. The news for today in Peru are handout 65 confirmed cases with coronavirus. 30 in total. In the department of Lima, The total of confirmed cases 799. From today, the schedule for social immobilization will be from 6 p.m. These were the main news. A pleasure to have been with all you. Tomorrow we return with more news. Thank you.